This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by tuning and placing a capo if you want the original vocal range. This saves strain and matches the recording. Once tuned, learn the main 4-chord loop, M, CAD9, G, D/F hash, because the song rests on that progression. Practice the riff slowly with a metronome at 60-70 BPM to build muscle memory. Make sure to use light muting on the low E string to get the song's texture. Keep repetition short and focused so your fingers learn. Once you have the chord changes, work the rhythm. Play a down-down up-up-down pattern and accent beats 2 and 4 to recreate the groove. That swing is what gives the track its momentum. Next, layer in small embellishments. A hammer-on from open 2nd string to 2nd fret on the CAD9 and gentle slides into G to add movement. Make sure to vary dynamics between verse and chorus so the song breathes, and use light palm muting to keep low end tight while you practice. To finish, play the full song at the target tempo and sing over the chord loop to lock vocal phrasing into the rhythm. This ensures your timing is consistent. Once comfortable, add the last touches, small lead fills between lines, and a restrained final strum pattern to close. If something sounds off, troubleshoot. Buzzing usually means finger angle or too much pressure, and timing issues resolve by slowing the section down and looping it. Keep focused, and you'll have the easy version polished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.